In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync TradingView across devices. If you've ever set up the perfect chart on your computer and wished it looked exactly the same on your phone or tablet, this is for you. The goal is simple. Make sure your indicators, drawings, and chart settings stay consistent and up to date wherever you access TradingView. Start by opening your chart. This is the chart you want to carry with you across devices, complete with your preferred symbol, time frame, and any custom touches you've added. Take a moment to confirm everything looks the way you want, because what you save here is what you'll see everywhere else. Next, click the Save, also known as the cloud, icon on the chart. You'll find it along the top toolbar. Clicking this ensures your layout is stored in the cloud rather than just locally in your current session. That cloud save is the key to syncing because it preserves your work on TradingView's servers so it can be accessed from another device. When you save, you can give the layout a clear name. A short, descriptive title makes it easy to identify later, especially if you maintain different layouts for various strategies or markets. What exactly is included in a layout? Think of it as your complete workspace. It contains your indicators, from moving averages to custom scripts. It holds all your drawings, like trend lines, zones, and annotations. And it keeps your chart settings intact, including scale preferences, colors, sessions, and visual tweaks. Saving your layout means all of these elements travel together and appear the same way each time you open it. To keep everything updated automatically, enable autosave. This is strongly recommended because it pushes changes to the cloud as you work, minimizing the chance of losing progress and keeping your devices in sync in near real time. Open the Chart Settings menu, then turn Autosave Layout on. With this enabled, every adjustment you make, adding an indicator, moving a line, or changing a setting, will be saved continuously without you needing to click the cloud icon each time. Once your layout is saved and autosave is on, your work is effectively portable. When you access TradingView from another device, your saved layout will be available with the same indicators, drawings, and settings you finalized. That's all it takes to sync TradingView across devices. Open your chart, save it to the cloud as a layout, and turn on autosave so everything stays current while you work.